मैंने तो ज़रा लेट लिखना शुरू किया, इसलिए अगर आप मेरी बुक्स कभी देखेंगे, जो 2 मेरे कलेक्शन आए पोइट्री के, उसमें रोमांटिक पोएम्स बहुत कम है। तो वो जब रोमांटिक पोएम लिखने का टाइम था तो मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था।
Well, thank you and congratulations Mandeep and team for putting up a great show. Sustainability is at the core of everything we do today, and really compliment the efforts that have been put by the entire hospitality industry on behalf of Saint Gobain. We're very proud to be associated with this event.
And the winner of Sustainability Champion of the Year category, let's put our hands together for Interglobe Hotels.
And the winner is ITC Kohinoor Hyderabad.
Now we were left with an option of either to toss, but we finally took a call to go to the 3rd decimal place and we had a winner.
So Rajneesh Kumar, Courtyard by Marriott Aravali Resort.
I think the best thing about Hope is the fact that the content and the speakers that you get to interact with, the thought leaders that are representing here, really gives you a lot of perspective and insight. I think what HVS Enerock has been able to do year after year.
Really fun to be here. I think the 2nd edition of Hope, and this one is even better than what we had the previous time. And it's really thanks to you, Mandeep, to get the whole industry together with different perspectives. I really enjoyed the session since morning.
All right, it's been an absolute pleasure to be here in Goa, to meet a lot of old friends, many colleagues, but most importantly, the opportunity to learn, interact, and hopefully be excited enough to come back for Hope 2025?
Here at Hope 24 in Goa, it's a fantastic event. As a proud partner and sponsor of this event, I see that this has become a benchmark event for the whole hospitality industry.
Hope was very interesting, was very busy. It was full of good discussions, good dialogues. I think we will come back and look forward to it.
It's been a fantastic afternoon for me at Hope. And I wish the HVS Anurag team really all the very best.
It's wonderful to be back at Hope. This is the second edition, and I think this year looks even better and bigger than the last edition. So I want to congratulate Mandeep Lamba and everybody at the team at HVS and Anurag for putting this together.
I get into a hotel, I'm like a cat. I turn around my bedroom 10 times and then I'm at home. I'm at home here in Goa for Hope 2024.
Hi. It's indeed a great few days here at Hope 2024, meeting with industry fellow experts, renewing my faith and commitment to India. These few days has taught me a lot, and I go back with new optimism for the future of tourism here in India. Thank you HVS for hosting this, and I look forward to the next few sessions together.
It was a great 1.5 days here in Goa, spending the time here at the conference. Met lots of old friends, made a lot of new friends. Also the chance to learn more from the various very distinguished panelists who joined us here in Goa. So fantastic conference, well done to HVS and Anurag for such a great organization, and I'll see you again next year.